Good evening, Rahul, and welcome to Goa. So, tell us about this Global Cup Goa 2025. How many teams took part in the age group categories?
There were around 100 teams were there. There were the 100 teams were there, and the teams were different part of the country, and most of the school teams were there participating in this tournament.
So this started from under 7 age, or what is the age group?
It's a starting age of under 8, under 10, under 12, under 14, under 16.
So,
And we have one category for the girls also, that's under 15.
so schools or teams from which states took part?
There are different, the Maharashtra was, Karnataka was there, Delhi was there, Rajasthan was there.
And I believe some teams were like because of the shutdown of the airport, so they could not make it because.
Yes, because of the airport, it couldn't break. And soon after they came on 6 and they fly back on 7.
And so this is the which edition? 13th
It's a
edition?
12th edition.
12th edition. So every time it is held here in Goa.
Yes, everything is held in Goa.
So all the parents and players, everybody comes here.
Yeah, they come to the vacation. This is the vacation period, and they come and enjoy. And as the Goa is a beautiful place.
So this is like sports tourism
Yeah, sports. We can say that.
from the not from the global perspective, but from the Indian perspective.
Indian perspective, yes.
And so, what is your role in this entire organization? This global sports is what is it? A company or what is
The
it?
global school is not a company; it's a group of friends. We are the sportsmen. We started during this college time. Now all are working, but giving some time for the Global Cup. And it's not like a company; it's a group of friends. We started the company.
So, what is the ultimate aim of organizing this tournament?
The ultimate is to promote football in the younger age, it's for the youth, basically for the under 8, under 10, and some part of the tourism.
But of all the teams, there were no teams for Goa in this tournament. Which don't you feel it's a strange thing?
No, because we know the Goan, because the teams we came for the little exposure and we want to compete with each other, and you know it is a time limit. If we call one the Goan teams, and in the Goa is basically known for the football, and already and we have to complete the time limitations. That's the main problem on the Goan team.
So besides here in Benaulim, you all had a tournament in Uttauda also, huh?
Uttauda and Navalium, 3 grounds.